What's A? What's B? First thing, there should be 1 mark here ready for the taking. 5 seconds, go. What's 2? B. Fantastic. B is 2. Why? Because B is the asymptote. Bang, it's labelled for me. So, B equals 2. Visually. That's it. I just looked at the asymptote. I'm going exponential, horizontal asymptote. That's the number floating by itself. Done. So I've now got the equation y equals AEX plus 2. I know B is 2. Yeah? Straight. Next bit of info. You've got 2 letters. 2 letters, 2 stories. They had to give you 2 pieces of information. Well, they gave me this. They've also given me this. It's the y-intercept. What are the facts about the y-intercept? What's the coordinate? 0, 5. Yes? X is 0, y is 5. So, when x is 0, y is 5. Because I know that because it's a y-intercept, and that's what a y-intercept is. X is 0. So come into your equation. 5 goes where the y is. A is the unknown. E to the x. But x is 0. Plus 2. What's e to the 0? 1. So basically I'm saying to you, hey, 5 equals a plus 2. So a is 3. You've just found me an equation. It really is, take the dot, stick it in, solve for AB. Sometimes you might need simultaneous equations. Sometimes you'll use the CAS. So depending on the question, if it's decimals, you're going to have to use the CAS. And you know, sometimes it'll fall out beautifully.
No way.
All right. 2 points. First things first, score the asymptote, substitute the missing value. So you're right, sorry, it is posted, it's recorded as well, so it'll be up there as far as notes, but I think it's more about following through. We might have to learn to write higher too, sorry. Alright. While people are doing that, think ahead. What would you do? There's a mark ready for the taking in this one. Straight away. And the value of...
2 plus.
Sorry? What's the value we know? Straight away from this one.
Minus 1.
-1. And -1 will be?
B.
The A, the B or the C?
B.
The B, yeah? Because what's important for logs is asymptotes. Asymptotes are what sits inside the bracket. So we know B is -1. Is that correct? So the equation is x minus 1. Thank you. And you got to be careful. The asymptote is -1, but the b is the value to make the asymptote -1. So wouldn't b have to be 1? So we end up with y equals a log x plus 1 plus c. Is it? If I asked you to draw that, what would you do? You'd move your asymptote to -1. So be careful how it's defined. No? You need to put it in there so that you get this result. I'd have to put a 1 in there to make it move to -1. Yep? Next value. I've got 2 points. 0, 5 and 2, 0. Straight off the graph. 0, 5 and 2, 0. I'm going to use the 0, 5. Yep. Right backwards.
Yes, yeah, 1.
use the 0, 5, we get 5 equals A log 1 plus C. Yep. This is for 0, 5. Y is 5, x is 0. What is the log of 1? 0. That means C equals 5. Because you've got 0 times A, so the A is gone. Yep. So now I'm sitting with y equals A log x plus 1 plus 5. That's my next. So you build. You just keep building. Asymptote, found me B. Y-intercept, found me C. I still need to find A, put in the last bit that I've got. 0 for y equals A log, put the 2 where the x is, which is 3 plus 5. So I've substituted 2 for x and 0 for y. Take 5 over. Therefore, A is negative 5 over the log of 3. And either leave like that, if it's a tech-free, or CAS it to get an actual value.
Sir,
Yeah.
if we use 2 and 0 instead of 5 and 0 at the start,
If you lose 2 and 0, you'd be here.
wouldn't it
But
look
you'd
messy?
have C.
Yeah.
Because you wouldn't know that. So you'd have C is negative A, so you'd still have 2 unknowns. It's okay. But once you've got 2 bits of information, you need to sub both in. You get yourself 2 equations.
Yeah.